What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alex Costa, and yesterday on Instagram story, I opened up my new iPhone 11 Pro, and you guys seem to really like it. You wanted me to do a review and an unboxing and what's on my iPhone, and I'm not a tech review channel, but I will tell you guys exactly what is on my phone. I'll tell you about the apps that I have on my iPhone right now. I upgraded from an iPhone XS, which you can see right here has like the really like shiny back, and the 11 Pro is like the matte black or matte back, sorry. I usually go for the space gray, which with like all of my other iPhones. This time I went for the midnight green, something a little bit different. And yeah, you have the 3 cameras, which is a little bit weird. It looks a little funky, but I don't really care. It's fine. It's an upgrade. The cameras are amazing on this thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press screen record, and I'm gonna show you exactly what is on my iPhone 11 Pro. First things first, I have 3 pages of apps. The first page is the most important one. Obviously, I keep the apps that I use the most up front, so it's easier and faster for me to get to. Right away, you see that I have Shazam, because obviously you need it fast. If you're listening to something and you wanna know what that song is, you click on Shazam and it goes. Uber, because I use that pretty much every single day here in LA. It's really annoying to drive in LA and park, like parking is expensive. And obviously when I go out to bars or anything, I'm gonna Uber, I'm not gonna drink and drive. And then we got contacts, whatever. Netflix is definitely something that I use a lot more recently, especially when I'm traveling. And right now I'm watching this Inside Bill's Brain. And it's a documentary about Bill Gates, man. And he's such an interesting person. It's such a cool documentary. I watched one episode, and there are 3. And I'm gonna definitely finish this tonight. It was so good. He's such a cool, like an amazing person. So I can't wait to learn more about him and about his life. I have Philips Hue, so I can like change the colors of my lights in my apartment, which is really cool. I can change that right on my phone. WhatsApp, etc. Work stuff, which is like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Calendar, so I can keep track of all of my videos and everything that I have going on during the week. And then we get to the cool stuff. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok, which has replaced Snapchat on my homepage, which is crazy. Like, I remember when Snapchat used to be so cool. It used to be my favorite social media page. And then now, Snapchat kind of sucks. I've never used TikTok, okay? I don't have a TikTok, so don't go look for me. I just downloaded it so I can learn more about it. I've watched, to this day, exactly 2 TikToks, 2 videos, and that's it. So I gotta like, you know, take and talk a little bit more, or whatever it's called. All right, let's go to my Instagram. And this one is important because on my Instagram right now, I am running a giveaway. So if you follow me and then you comment in any of my latest posts and tag 2 of your friends, you're gonna enter the giveaway. And I'm giving away my hair clay, which is done, it's finalized. It's like pretty much ready to ship. We're just doing a little bit more work on the website and all of that, and we're gonna start shipping that thing out. But if you win, you get it before everybody else. All right, so I'm gonna pick the winners next week. And then also you get a nice card holder, which is this one right here. It's nice, luxurious leather, really nice stuff. So if you wanna enter, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and comment in any of my latest pictures, tagging 2 of your friends. And my Instagram, you know, like try to show you guys like what you can wear on a day-to-day in terms of fashion. So I give you guys lots of options and suggestions for fashion stuff, and I think it's cool. I really like Instagram. I like being creative and showing you what I'm up to. Besides the photos, the story, man, I love doing Instagram stories. So if you guys follow me there, definitely check it out. I just like showing you like behind the scenes, my day-to-day, some fitness stuff. I'm really into fitness. I really love showing you guys that on my Instagram. So go check it out. It's at Alex Costa. Facebook, because we have a Facebook group where you guys can go and post pictures of your outfits, and everybody is gonna like help you out. It's called Level Up Community. I always have a link to Level Up Community in the description below, so you can go and check it out. Twitter, which I use a lot for like sports or politics or anything that's going on in the world that needs to be kind of like quick. So I'm up to date on everything that's happening in the world. TikTok, because I kind of want to know what's going on. And then these folders in the bottom here are the ones that I use probably the most. So media, I have YouTube, obviously. YouTube Studio, where I can see exactly what is going on with my channel, which is really cool. So I'll do that, and like I can see the comments, I can see everything that's going on with my channel. YouTube TV, I used to have a subscription, I don't anymore. YouTube Gaming, if you want to watch any gaming content. And IGTV, I've been using that a lot more. I've definitely been posting a lot of IGTVs. So if you guys are into, you know, any like lookbook videos, fitness videos, I post usually that on IGTVs, as well as recaps of my trips. So when I travel, I do recaps on my IGTV because I don't do vlogs, as you guys know. Spotify, what have I been listening to lately? John Mayer, man. I am a huge fan of John Mayer. I went to his concert last week here in LA. Goosebumps, man. That guy, he's a genius, like one of the best musicians and artists of our generation, in my humble opinion. Like, he's amazing. But then I also like a little Young Thug and Gunna, you know what I mean? A little Drake, a little Tyga, Russ, a little Nas X, Black Bear, Young Blood, you know, which is like really cool, man. I really like Young Blood. He's sick. So, you know, all the good stuff, man. Black, Ed Sheeran, obviously like Travis Scott. What else? Bazzi is really dope. So I've been listening to a lot of that. If you guys want my playlist, I do have a playlist here somewhere. Alex Costa, boom. There it is. I have this playlist. I'll leave a link to my Spotify playlist in the description below so you guys can check it out. Audible, I love listening to books. When I'm listening to music, it's cool, it's relaxing, but I also feel like in an airplane, for example, I might be wasting my time. I could be learning something. I like to be productive at all times, so I always listen to new books when I'm traveling, especially if I'm going overseas. It's like an 11-hour flight to London, and I go to London almost every month. It's good to just make sure that you're learning while you're flying. What else? And then F1 TV, because I love Formula One, man. It's my favorite sport right now. I'm addicted. I've been watching it every 2 weeks. I watched the races. I went to the race in Belgium 2 weeks ago. I went to the one in Mexico City last year, which is the next one coming up after Singapore, which is today. Yeah, so love Formula One, so I watched that there. I got my finance folder. As you guys know, I always talk about this, how important it is to keep track of your finances. It doesn't matter if you make a lot of money, little money, keep track of it, make sure you're saving up. And that's one of the things that I talked about in my video, which was what I learned, the biggest lessons that I learned in my 20s. And then I have my travel app, so I can book my trips quickly. I can, get into the United States quickly with a mobile pass and all that. Nothing too fun here. But the next page on the top here, that's the fun stuff, man. I love this. As you guys know, I'm a big fitness freak. I love working out. I love eating healthy. I don't know why I got into this. It can be such a pain sometimes, but I really do enjoy it, I guess. Postmates, so I can order some food when I want it. Uber Eats, so I can order some food. DoorDash, where I can order some food. So this is like all of my food/fitness stuff, right? So health and fitness. So I order food with E24. I check out restaurants with Yelp that will tell you exactly, the reviews of those restaurants around you. And then we have Pinterest. And if you guys don't use Pinterest yet, you're missing out because it's so cool, man. You can learn so much about fashion. So basically what I use Pinterest for is fashion, interior design, because I'm moving soon and I want to make sure that my place looks cool. And I even use it for inspiration for this place. Tattoos, because I'm getting a bunch of tattoos and I wanted to, check it out. So you can see some of the guys here and some inspiration that I have for fashion, tattoo, and fitness and interior design, which is really, really cool. Rumble, which is a boxing class that I take here in LA that I love. Berries, which is a high intensity class that I take here as well and I love. Everywhere I go, like they have it in London, they have it everywhere. So if you search for Berries Bootcamp, they might have it around you. It's a great workout. Fight Camp is something that I use here at home. It's this boxing bag that it's like right there. You can't really see it, but I use it at home. Lyft, Nest, Amazon. What else? What do we have that's cool? Gas Guru is actually a really cool app. If you drive and you want the cheapest gas station around you, Gas Guru will help you with that. So you basically just go on Gas Guru. It gives you a list of gas stations around you, the distance between them, between you and them, and the price for each and every one of them. So you can pick what price you want, and then it sends you to Google Maps and it tells you exactly how to get there. So it's a really cool app if you're just trying to get a good deal. You're trying to save some cash. Translate, Translate's so cool, man. Let me do this real quick because I haven't done this in a while. This app is so sick because you can literally just translate things. Look at that. You can use the camera on your phone to translate something on the go. That's incredible. That's insane. That's some new technology right there. I use this in Japan so many times when I was there. This is the way to do it. I'm going to Japan again next month, hopefully, if everything goes right. And I am definitely going to be using this app again. And then we have Snapchat all the way in the back. Rest in peace. Like, honestly, I haven't opened Snapchat in so long. One of the coolest apps that I have in the end here, actually, two really cool apps. One is this handy level that I use. If you're hanging something up, I didn't have a level and I downloaded this and I was like, there's no way this is gonna work. But it actually works, man. And you can like flip it around and there's like different types of levels and you can like really like it really works, you know. And you can, I think there's a way to flip it. Anyway, yeah, there's like all different modes and whatnot, but it's really good if you just don't have the tool and you need to hang something up and you want to make sure that it's straight, like that shelf. This is what I used. And then Firework, and Firework is a really cool app. It's a social media, I guess, or like more of a video app, but you go on and you can look at things vertically, but then when you move it horizontally, it expands the field of view, so you get like almost like a reveal of additional information, you know what I mean? Like, which is super cool. I thought it was a really cool design. I don't know how to use it yet. I need to play around with it, but I thought, technically speaking, it's a pretty cool, and some of them do, some of them don't, but like this is really cool. Yeah, if you guys are looking to explore, try something cool and different, I would definitely download that. And then the only game that I have on my phone that I actually downloaded myself is the F1 mobile game that I have played exactly twice, and wasn't very good at it. I just need to practice, I think, but I wasn't very good at it. I'll try it again. And that's it, guys. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This phone is really cool. I'm excited to use it more. The thing that I'm most excited about is definitely the camera. I bought this clear case for it. I've never had a clear case in my life. I got a green phone for the first time. I'm gonna get a clear case for the first time in my life so I can show off the green, show that I got a different one. One thing that I'm missing already though is this right here. This is the charging case that I have for my iPhone XS, which gives it a double battery life. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to click the subscribe button below. Don't forget to enter the giveaway by following me on Instagram and then commenting in any of my latest photos with 2 of your friends. Just tag them and you're gonna be entered. And of course, that right there is my Nordstrom clothing collection. It's still on sale. It's still at Nordstrom. It's gonna be there for a little bit longer. It is starting to sell out, so make sure that you guys check out the collection, which is also gonna be listed in the description below. This denim jacket, or denim shirt, I should say, it is from the collection. These pants are from the collection, so go check it out. Hopefully you guys are gonna love it. I've seen a lot of pictures from you guys wearing them, and I really appreciate the support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.